Hi, my name is Moses Lim, and this is my course project for PSYC 3040. So in class, we discussed the topic of just noticeable difference when learning about Weber's law. However, we solely focused on this concept with regards to intensity. So in this experiment, I sought to explore how people perceive just noticeable difference in response to changing HSV values. HSV values are comprised of three parameters: hue, saturation, value, where hue is measured on a scale from 0 to 360 degrees, and both saturation and value are given as a percent from 0 to 100%. To determine how JND was dependent on each of these three values, I started by first presenting the subject with a slideshow of decreasing saturation, then a slideshow of increasing hue, and finally a slideshow of decreasing value. As a baseline for each of these three slideshows, I began with the color red, with RGB and HSV values described on the slide. When presented with the slideshows, I tasked the subject to notify me when they perceived a noticeable difference. After conducting this experiment on multiple subjects, I arrived at the following results. The median JND for saturation was a change of 18%, the median JND for hue was a change of 8 degrees, and the median JND for value was a change of 10%. In displaying my results, I decided to use median rather than mean because there were a couple outlier data points which would have dramatically skewed the mean. And one potential limitation of this experiment was that sometimes subjects reported a change in the stimulus when there in fact was not.